Model, 2015 Ford Transit Connect Roof Rack 200L1 1.6 75PS StgV Spares OR Repairs Open Mouth Smile Trader Margin Smile with a Halo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148375. MOT, 3 July 2024. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 75 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.